Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to pull this trim piece off. We're going to use a trim tool. Go under here, pry up. Maybe a little bit tricky over here. You can go back here, pry up back here. Some clips that are holding this down. Grab it and pull up. As you can see, these are the different retainers that were holding it down. To disconnect the electrical connectors, we're going to push on this little lock and pull the connector out, just like that. And then same on this one, push that little lock and pull that connector out. To remove the master switch, I'm going to use a 90-degree pick tool. I'm going to put a little pressure on the switches on the front and pry up right here. Be careful, it is in plastic. Release the locks. There's 4 of them. Another one there. And another one right here. Once those are released, then we can pull the master switch right out. Right, for the mirror switch, I'm going to put a little pressure on the front and take a 90-degree pick tool, release the locks on the back side. There's 4 of them. Be careful not to crack the plastic. May have to go back and forth a couple times, back to the same lock that you already did. Sometimes this can be difficult. One last one, and then pull the mirror switch up. To reinstall the master switch, just line it up and lock it in place. To reinstall the mirror switch, just line it up, push it straight on, lock it in place. Now we're going to connect this electrical connector here. It goes to the mirror switch, and this one goes to the master electrical switch right there. Line this up and lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.